Today we find ourselves back near Wichita, Kansas to tour the Avonlea by Nies Homes. The Avonlea model boasts 2 floors of spacious living and ample outdoor space with a simple yet sophisticated design that encompasses 5 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, a 3-car garage, and a completely finished basement. All of this sitting inside of 3,232 square feet. This home's polished and clean exterior boasts unmatched curb appeal with the front exterior features that include LP white siding, natural wood shutters, and a whitewashed brick accent. There's also a welcoming front porch awaiting to greet you with a divided lit front door and side light windows. The wood and brick accents continue to the 3-car garage, which features 2 separate garages, one double wide, ensuring 3 cars fit seamlessly. The home not only features a welcoming front porch, but a covered back patio as well. In addition to the covered back patio, the rear of the home includes an abundance of oversized picture windows that really help flood the home with tons of natural light. This model is currently listed for sale at approximately $612,000. However, if you decided to have this home built, that price could vary due to your specific lot and design choices. If you would like more information on this model or any of the models that we've toured across the country, you can use the Find My Floor Plan Finder on our website at timothyplivingston.com to filter homes based on your specific needs. It's all 100% free, so definitely go check that out. You can find the link for that down in the description. With all that, let's get into the tour. All right. So when you first walk in, this is the view that you're greeted with. Got this beautiful living room right here. But let me go ahead and turn you around real quick. That way we can check out the front entrance. So this is your foyer. And you could, if you were entering from the garage, I'll show you where that is in just a minute too. It's kind of right over there to the left-hand side. But a quick little pan back into the great room. Very nice. I love the exposed beam up there. I think that looks really good. Great big windows over there. Y'all, it was coming down. I came down from Kansas City and man, it was raining the whole time. So I'm so glad to see that the skies kind of cleared up a little bit, turned into a pretty day. I love this fireplace surround. This green color right here, that looks nice. And then of course you got the tile surround. And then you have these open shelves right next to that on either side. Soft close. Let's get over here real quick. Yeah, these windows are huge. So you do have nice views back into the kitchen. And again, they kept kind of the same color palette with this nice green color cabinetry, which I like. Open shelves. What do you think about that? I know a lot of people don't necessarily like it, but I mean, you do have plenty of other cabinets over there, so that's cool. I love how they kind of ran this all the way through underneath of the range hood. It just looks so clean. But again, beautiful cabinet color, soft close, and then you do have a nice island right here too. Pendant lights, quartz countertops, and a big old undermount sink. And then let's get into these cabinets real quick. We'll get into the foyer and the garage. There's a downstairs to this. It has a whole finished basement. So we'll catch all that in just a little bit. Nice little buffet over here. Plenty of outlets. Nice tile backsplash. Looking sharp. Big old refrigerator, built-in microwave, and a great big oven. We'll go down there in just a minute. We'll catch the dining room. Nice light fixture. What do you think being surrounded by all these great big windows? Looks sharp. And then you also have a great big patio out here. Nice little fun spot to hang out. I like the rustic beams too, that looks good. Put you a grill out here. Just kind of hang out. All right, so going back into these bedrooms over here. I saw like the coolest bed ever. I had to come in here and turn on all the lights, but wait until you see it. But first, got this big old pantry, nice wood shelves in here. Plenty of counter space in here too. Put your coffee pot, so you'd even have some outlets. Maybe a crock pot. I don't know if that would be a good spot in here, but it's out of the way and it's not like taking up kitchen space. Maybe that's a horrible idea, but you let me know down in the comments. And then at the end of the hall, you got two of the secondary bedrooms. This is the first one. Well, that's a little funky. This one sits towards the side of the house. And that green theme is kind of going throughout. And then into the closet, you got the bifold doors, nice wood shelves. Interesting too how they kind of, I don't know, like there's different levels of things. So that's cool. And then in between this bedroom and the next one, you do have a full bathroom. Another undermount sink, the toilet, and a shower and tub combo. And then, see, right there, boom, dream bed. I don't care how old I am. I want this bed now. How cool would it be if you had a Jeep bed? I wonder if it rolls. No. Still cool though. And then again, I like this way better than the other flowers as far as the wallpaper. But this one's about the same size as the other bedroom. However, this one differs. It doesn't have a bifold closet door, it just has a standard closet door. It still has these really nice wood shelves. So I like that a lot. All right, so you do have a main level master. You have 3 of the main bedrooms up here. This one, the master bedroom, sits just off of the foyer. Now downstairs, there are 2 additional rooms. So this could be a 5-bedroom, but this is the master bedroom. And we'll get the downstairs. It has a whole entertainment center. Like, it's a pretty cool setup. This is a nice big room. And then into the ensuite, great big double vanity, nice sconces, a nice transom window up there. Great big walk-in shower with the tile surround, humongous shower head. That thing's gigantic. And then next to that, you do have the water closet with the toilet. It is separated with a pocket door, so that's very nice. And then just past that, now you can access this also from the laundry room, which is good. Look how tall that one is. You need a whole hook to get clothes off of that one. But great big closet in here, plenty of built-ins. So I know that's a sticking point with a lot of people, not being able to access the closet that's in the bathroom or near the bathroom when someone else is in there. So now you can just swing on over here through the laundry room. So you do have washer dryer hookups, some more cabinets in here. And then a fun little corner table, perfect for folding. And then boom, you got the door back into the master bedroom. All right, let's go check out the garage. So just off of the living room, you do have a little drop zone, a little bench right here, put your shoes, and then you do have a coat closet too. So, and this isn't real far from the front door either, so you just come around the corner and boom, coat closet. And then into the garage. So, oh, this has a 3-car garage. So plenty of room for all the toys. And then we'll go ahead and head downstairs. I think y'all are gonna like the downstairs. It's kind of wide open and really open to your imagination as far as what all you could do down here. But like I said, it's currently set up like a entertainment room. So you got a great big movie theater over here. I don't know where the projector would be. Maybe that's just set up for looks, just to give you an idea. But plenty of room over here. I mean, they got a huge pool table. And then back behind us, there's actually like almost like a wet bar type thing. So, well, this is kind of dark. You got one little storage closet in here. And then you got a prep sink. I wonder if, great big drawer. And then over, there's a lot happening down here, so you got to bear with me. Got another fun little storage space. And then down the hall, you have an additional bathroom as well as 2 more bedrooms. So a nice single vanity in here. And then you have the water closet also separated by a pocket door with the toilet and the shower and tub combo. I love this tile. That looks pretty neat. So enthusiastic. But no, it did look cool. And then into the first of the 2 bedrooms down here. Again, carpet and all that type of stuff. You know, I'm sure that's optional. A lot of these builders are either semi-customizable or fully customizable. I like the shelves that they're using in here though. I think that looks pretty cool. And then around the corner into the next bedroom. This one's about the same size. Closet's a little different though. It just got the, oh no. So you come in here and it has even more on either side. So that's nice. And then there's one more closet that we got to go into. It's not really a closet. This is more like, I guess it would be like a utility closet. You got your sump pump, water heater, and your furnace in here. Let me know what you think about this home down in the comments. If you do want any more information on this model or Nies homes, I'll leave the link for you down in the description, or you can go over to timothyplivingston.com where you can search this floor plan as well as all the floor plans that we've toured across the country. You can see if they are built in your area, get price information, and so much more. With all that, I hope you have a fantastic day. My name's Timothy, and I look forward to seeing your beautiful face in the next one.